Welcome. So, what are the difference between discrete and continuous quantitative variables? In the realm of statistics and data analysis, understanding the nature of variables is crucial. Quantitative variables, which represent measurable quantities, can be categorized into two main types: discrete and continuous. Both types are essential for different kinds of statistical analysis and data interpretation. So, discrete quantitative variables. So, what is the definition? Discrete quantitative variables are those that take on finite or countable number of values. These variables often represent countable items or events. So, what are some of their characteristics? Countability. Discrete variables are countable. For example, the number of students in a classroom or the number of cars in a parking lot. Distinct values. They have a specific distinct values with no intermediate values possible. For example, you can have 3 or 4 books, but not 3.5 books. Some examples are include the number of children in a family, the number of pets owned, or the number of test questions answered correctly. So, what are continuous quantitative variables? The definition: continuous quantitative variables can take on infinite number of values within a given range. They are often associated with measurements. Some of its characteristics: infinite possibilities. Continuous variables can assume an infinite number of values between any 2 points. For example, between 1 and 2, a continuous variable could be 1.1, 1.01, 1.001, and so on. Measurement based. They are usually related to measurements such as height, weight, or time, where fractions and decimals make sense. Examples include the height of students in a class, the temperature of a room, or the time it takes to complete a task. So, what are the key differences between both of them? Nature of values. Discrete variables have specific countable values, whereas continuous variables can take on any value within a certain range. Representation. Discrete data is typically represented in bar charts, while continuous data is often shown in histograms or line graphs. Measurement. Discrete variables are often the result of counting, while continuous variables are typically obtained through measuring. Understanding these differences is crucial for selecting the appropriate statistical methods and tools for data analysis. Each type of variable offers unique insights and requires different approaches for effective interpretation.